this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see in this application, a set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, facilities and wages, etc. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in the hotel, except major credit cards, and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various unique plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.